Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 16 times cube root of m is equals to 32 and we have to find the value of m. So let's start with today's video solution. First I'm going to divide with 16 both the sides. So we can remove it here. So cube root of m is equals to 2 and cube root of m we can write with the help of this formula of exponent, that is a power 1 by n. So m power 1 by 3 is equals to 2. Now I'm going to multiply with 3 power both the sides. We can eliminate it. So m is equals to 2 power 3. So m is equals to 2 times 2 times 2, that is 8. So the final value of m is 8. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.